Looking for an SUV that doesn't scream, "I've surrendered to suburban life"? The 2025 Cupra Terramar might just be the rebellious family hauler you've been waiting for. Today we're getting up close with Cupra's newest and roomiest offering, an SUV that tries to inject some excitement into the crowded crossover segment. From the moment you lay eyes on the Terramar, you know this isn't your typical family crossover. The front end is aggressive and distinctive, with those signature triangular headlights and a shark-nosed design that gives it a predatory stance. Around back, the dramatic lighting signature and sporty diffuser continue the bold theme. Cupra clearly wasn't interested in blending in with the crossover crowd. Under the hood, Cupra gives you plenty of options. The range starts with a 148 horsepower 1.5-liter mild hybrid, but things get more interesting with the 201 or 261 horsepower 2-liter petrol engines paired with all-wheel drive for those who prioritize performance. The stars of the lineup, however, are the plug-in hybrids. Available with either 201 or 268 horsepower, these plug-in hybrid pack substantial batteries delivering over 70 miles of pure electric range, far outpacing most rivals. That's enough for most daily commutes without using a drop of fuel. Even better, you can rapid charge from 10 to 80% in just 26 minutes. Step inside, and the sporty aesthetic continues. The driver-focused cockpit wraps around you with copper accents flowing through the dashboard. The sport seats look ready to hold you in place during spirited driving, and the flat-bottomed steering wheel features actual physical buttons. A refreshing choice when so many manufacturers are moving to frustrating touch-sensitive controls. The 12.9-inch touchscreen dominates the center console, paired with a 10.25-inch digital driver display. While we'd prefer more physical controls for climate functions, the system looks responsive and clear. The ambient lighting adds another layer of drama to the cabin, especially at night. Cupra claims the Terramar delivers a more engaging driving experience than its Volkswagen Group cousins. The steering is said to be more direct, the suspension more responsive in sport mode, yet still comfortable when you just want to cruise. The top-spec petrol model sprints to 62 miles per hour in a brisk 5.9 seconds, properly quick for a family SUV. Speaking of family duties, the Terramar hasn't forgotten its practical side. Rear passengers get plenty of head and legroom, and the clever 40-20-40 split rear seats both slide and recline. Standard petrol models offer 540 liters of cargo space, expandable to 642 liters, with the rear seats moved forward. The plug-in versions sacrifice some cargo room for their batteries, but still provide a usable 400 to 490 liters. Tech-wise, even the base model comes well-equipped with LED headlights, an electric tailgate, 3-zone climate control, and comprehensive driver assistance systems. Step up to higher trims, and you'll get heated seats, a head-up display, matrix LED headlights, and on top models, a premium Sennheiser sound system. Pricing starts at around £37,600, putting it roughly on par with premium alternatives like the BMW X1, but offering more standard equipment. The plug-in models command a premium, but could save company car drivers significant tax thanks to their low emissions rating. Walk around to the side, and things get a bit more conventional. But those signature Cupra wheels and copper accents ensure nobody will mistake this for anything but a Spanish performance brand. It's like someone took a family SUV and dressed it for a nightclub rather than a PTA meeting. So where does the Terramar fit in the crossover landscape? It's more visually striking and engaging to drive than mainstream options like the Nissan Qashqai or Ford Kuga. Yet it offers almost the same practicality as its VW Group siblings, the Tiguan and Kodiaq, just with an extra dose of Spanish flair and attitude. If you're tired of blending in with the crossover crowd and want a family SUV that still makes you look back after you've parked it, the Cupra Terramar deserves your attention. It's proof that embracing family life doesn't mean you have to embrace boring cars. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.